My name is Danielle. I'm an education specialist with MindFuel's Wonderville team. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the great features Wonderville has to offer. In later videos, we'll dig deeper into how to set up account features, but for now, let's just have some fun exploring. Welcome to Wonderville. Let's get started. Once you log in, you can see the navigation tools located at the top of the page. These will be helpful in guiding you to all the amazing tools available at your fingertips, like the Resources tab. Here you can find a ton of STEM learning games.
Your video game habit gave me an idea. I'm going to build a game to teach them how to catch foxes. They won't even notice they're learning.
Career videos.
An engineer is a person that solves problems.
And a chemical engineer is somebody who knows enough mechanics to confuse a chemist, enough chemistry to confuse a mechanic, and enough math to confuse himself.
Stories and animated videos.
If we make the toxins in this river glow, you'll think there isn't much to worry about. But let's crank up the settings and get an X-ray view inside these plants and wildlife.
Experiments.
I spend a lot
Webinars.
of my time actually doing research, and I'm an environmental microbiologist, which means I study microbes. This is a giant microbe. We're going to see him a number of times through the presentation.
Vlogs. And there's even a helpful glossary of kid-friendly STEM terms. These resources will help better engage your students and ignite their curiosity. Wonderville has an extensive library of shared resources where you can search for lessons and assessments that cover the topic of interest and meet your students' learning needs in creative ways. All our lessons are aligned to outcomes for Alberta, NGSS, Ontario, TEKS, and General. You can also edit these lessons or create your own and save them in your personal library found in the Lessons and Assessments tab. Finally, Wonderville is a great classroom management tool. You can create and manage classes, access real-time reports on student performance, and more, all from one convenient dashboard. That's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now it's time for you to get exploring and find a resource to spark your students' curiosity. For more insight, check out our other tutorial videos. And for individual resources and products, visit the MindFuel STEM store by following the link at the top of the page.